What are you hearing?
Prashant, you put out some interesting data. The fact that Nifty was down 4% this week despite global markets, well, there was too much of noise, but they were stable. And that means that, a lot of crucial technical support levels got broken on the Nifty, and that actually led to a lot of fear as well. So the mood is very downbeat. There is extreme pessimism, so to speak, when you talk to the dealers or the larger investors or for that matter traders as well. So the level to watch now is 16,800 on the downside. If you look at this week, twice we came to those levels and we rebound from there. So that's a big support level to watch as far as the Nifty is concerned, at least in the very near term. So that's something to watch out for. Last week, if you remember, I had suggested that the block deals will continue and we're going to hit $5 billion before the month of March. And in fact, it happened this week itself, right? I mean, another $1 billion block deals happened and we've touched over $5 billion as far as the supply is concerned. So and that supply, my sense is likely to continue. But the big feedback now is that while everybody is watching about block deals, my sense is there could be large M&A transaction as well. That's the feedback from investment bankers, that watch out for some large deals which might happen before the end of this financial closure. So that will be important to track, and that can have an impact on some stocks as well. I guess from a trigger point of view, the Fed meet next week, that's going to be very important. I guess Street is priced in the 25 basis point rate hike. So if that comes, I guess there will be a bit of a relief rally, so to speak. That's the overall feedback from the dealing room. So that's something to watch out for. The other important thing is, if you look at the mood, at least in the last 2 days, the feedback was some bit of risk appetite is back, largely from the smart HN investors. So around 16,800, 16,900, some money was put to work by some large smart HNIs, and the feedback is they are sensing a bit of a pullback post the Fed meet. So that's something to watch out for. But I guess the supply overhang is something that's a big niggling factor, and that's likely to continue till the March end. That's the overall feedback. But I think most important thing is the banks. That's been a big underperformer, and I think you've worked on some number on the banks as well.
Well, absolutely. This week was all